We already do business with several big Chinese companies, the most important being Huawei, for many years already. So we hope to continue that cooperation and to be a good partner to all Chinese companies coming to Croatia or Europe. We have a lot of experience. We're doing business with China, with Chinese companies, especially in the technology sector. So I think that experience helps us to prepare to be a good partner to other Chinese companies. So I believe we're really ready to offer good services to Chinese companies coming to Europe. China is among the biggest and the fastest growing economies in the world. I know that China is going through restructuring at the moment, but I believe that's going to be just another step to create a more modern and more complex and more technologically advanced economy. So I believe we all in Europe should look at China as a partner and see what businesses we can do in future. Same for us here. And we all hope to see increased cooperation between Europe, United States and China and other global actors. So 2024 hopefully will bring us more peace and prosperity rather than 2023.